Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As today we are going to start a new section that is again from your Unit 4 New Pathways book. Okay, New Pathways Unit 4 Section 3, in which we are going to start a new thing that is a poem and it is like Olympic Granny. Okay, so we have seen Granny means our grandmother. Okay, so, we have seen our grandmother, they usually do any work, right? Maybe some of the grannies or the grandma is like very active, but what I have seen, my grandma or the others' grandma, they are quite like they are not able to do any work. But here we are going to start a poem which is itself telling the heading that Olympic granny means Olympic means someone who is very active, okay, where we have to score, we have to set a benchmark, who cannot exceed that, okay, who cannot exceed that. And here we are going to study Olympic granny. It means she is very fit, as you can see in the picture also. She is very fit and she is able to do what the normal young people would not do, okay. So she is very fit, and let's see what the poem tells about this Olympic granny. Okay, so read this poem about a grandmother who excels at sport. Okay, who is very excellent in sport. Excellent means she is damn for others. Okay, let's see the poem. When grandma goes for the gold in the Olympic Games this year, she'll laugh at her competitors and make them quake with fear. Now, what happened when this grandma goes for the Olympic and she achieved the gold? For gold, she has taken part in this Olympic this year. When she saw her competitor, they were like वो उनकी रीत से भी बाहर थे. They were not up to that, and she laughed at them कि what they are the competitor, isn't they doesn't stand by side also. And what she did, she make them quake with fear, मतलब थरथरा रही है ना, वो उन लोगों को डरा रही है अपने ये excellence से, right? Because she is very strong, she is very excellent in sport. And जैसे वो participate करने हैं, कोई भी उनको देख के डर जाएगा कि oh my god, she is quite old but still she has that ability to participate in Olympic, right? And after seeing this, everyone was really fear. She is 99 years old. She is of 99 years old. But in athletics, she is being blessed. The trouble is she can't decide which sport she plays the best. Now what happened? She is just 99 years old. Okay. But in athletics, she is being blessed. वो blessed है, वो 99 की है. And we know usually of 65 75 years old man or a woman, they usually do a work, they don't even uh, stand without any support, right? They need a support to stand also. But we can see the opposite of that. This grandma is really fit, and she is of 99 years old and she participated in Olympic, and now she is like she doesn't even know कि वो किस गेम में बेस्ट है. शी कांट डिसाइड दैट बिकॉज शी इज़ बेस्ट इन ऑल, एंड उनको ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि वो सबसे ज़्यादा किस में बेस्ट है. She is such an ace at archery. She is queen of the canoe. She is tough to top at taekwondo and table tennis too. सो वो किस किस चीज़ में एक्सपर्ट है? आर्चरी में. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, वो तीर निशाना लगा रही है ना, वो आर्चरी में वो क्या है, एकदम सर्वश्रेष्ठ है. लाइक शी इज़ वेरी टैलेंटेड इन आर्चरी. सी इज़ क्वीन ऑफ कैनोए. ओके, ये जो बान है उसके भी वो क्या है, एकदम लाइक क्वीन है. नो वन कैन डिफीट हर. शी इज़ टफ टू टॉप एट टेक वूडो. टेक वूडो ये वंडर है, वंडरफुल होता है इन सम जापानीज और रशियन कोरियन लैंग्वेज. ओके, शी इज़ अ वेरी गुड फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट, ये बोला गया है. taekwondo matlab she is very wonderful. And table tennis too, she can play, she is best in archery, she is best in canoe, and she is best in table tennis too. And she cannot decide कि वो किस चीज में सबसे ज्यादा बेस्ट है. She dominates the diving board, she trumps the trampoline. At lifting weight and wrestling, she is the best you have ever seen. Now, जहाँ तक आप लोग देख रहे हो, like someone who is very best in wrestling, putting up weights or lifting the weights, she is best of all that you have ever seen. वो सारे लोग से अच्छी है. And she also does, she trumps the trampoline. देखो trampoline पे वो कैसे ऊपर नीचे हो रही हैं. और अभी के अगर दादा दादी जी को देखें, ग्रैंड माँ ग्रैंड पा या किसी के भी ओल्ड मैन ओल्ड वुमेन को देखोगे, they can't even walk properly. And here we can see how this granny is talented. She is very excellent in all the field. She can't even decide what to do. And she is best in everything. Even she can jump over trampoline too. She is highest in high jump and a champ at hammer throwing, magnificent in marathons, remarkable at rowing. Now she is also best in high jump. She is champion. She is champion as hammer throwing, something like a javelin throw. ओके, भाला लेके फेंका जाता है, दैट इज. और शी इज़ मैग्निफिशेंट इन मैराथन्स, लाइक इन रनिंग और रेस ऑफ सम, जो भी होता है वो सारे चीज़ में वो एकदम एक्सेलेंट है, मैग्निफिशेंट है, फैंटास्टिक है. एंड it is a remarkable rowing thing for her. मतलब वो इस चीज़ को कैसे हैंडल कर रही है ना, शी इज़ हैंडलिंग दिस सो ब्यूटिफुली कि वो सारी चीज़ में बेस्ट है. इवन द टेबल टेनिस, हाई जंप, ये सारी चीज़ में वो मैग्निफिशेंट है. इवन वो रन भी कर सकती है बहुत अच्छे से. She beats the best at boxing. At the pole vault, she is peerless. Her fencing is the finest. She is positively fearless. Now you can see that how she is beast. Beast means एकदम ताबड़तोड़, or we can say she is the monster, and she is the best at boxing too. है ना. शी इज पियरलेस, एकदम नीडर, लाइक फियरलेस वी से ना, लाइक दैट. शी इज वेरी एक्टिव, और वी शी इज वेरी शार्प. हर फेंसिंग इज फाइनेस्ट, बहुत ही शार्प है वो चीज़, है ना. शी इज़ वेरी परफेक्ट इन एवरीथिंग. एंड शी इज़ पॉजिटिवली फियरलेस. एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो वो फियरलेस, एकदम बिना किसी डर से वो करती हैं हर वो चीज़. She is masterful at basketball. She truly is the court. She truly rules the court, and equally incredible at every other sport. She is very, like, she is unbelievable. She is granny. She is old man. She is just of 99 years old, but still she is very good at everything. Even the basketball, she has done master. She rules the court. Whenever the person is about to goal, she goals it first. She is, because she is very good at high jump also, she can goal the basketball court very well. She rules there. And equally she is unbelievable, incredible at every other sport. But what we find astonishing and something of a shocker is how she wins all contests with her wheelchair and her walker. Means every sport, if she has won, she got some gold medal or something, wherever she won the trophies and all, she did just like she is on her wheelchair, and she also use walker of a old person, right? And instead of that also, she is very good. Even she can jump also. Okay, it means she was quite fit and she was unbeatable. But the most shocking thing is that she can do whatever she can, but she was on the wheelchair and she used वॉकर फॉर एवरीथिंग. थिंक अबाउट इट. वो वॉकर यूज़ करती है, व्हील चेयर पे रहती है, एंड स्टिल शी इज़ गुड एट बास्केटबॉल, शी इज़ गुड एट बॉक्सिंग, शी इज़ गुड एट हाई जंप, हैमर throwing, she is good at marathons also, she is good at diving board, trampoline, wrestling, weighting, she is good at archery, canoe, है ना, tennis, for everything, all the athletic games, Olympic games जो भी था this year, she is very good. But the only shocking thing is that she is on wheelchair. She is on wheelchair and she even use walker too. Think about it. Nowadays, an old man or old woman cannot walk properly without any support also. And here we are seeing a granny who can achieve everything. She is best at everything. Okay, but still she's as she is using wheelchair and walker, and instead of that also she has done mastered for all the things. She is incredible in every sport, है ना. बट थिंक अभी के जो जितने भी ओल्ड मैन ओल्ड वुमेन हैं, दे आर नॉट केपेबल. See the difference between this Olympic granny and our grandpa, grandmother, or the grand old women or men who are living in our surroundings. And it is really unbelievable, right? And this beautiful poem is written by Ken Nesbitt. Okay, Ken Nesbitt. तो ये केन निस्बिट ने लिखा है ये पोएम ओलंपिक ग्रैनी. होप यू हैव enjoyed this, and I will request you all to memorize the word meaning and memorize the poem lines. At least I will tell you to study this 20 lines, or we can study some as much as you can study. Okay, I can't say anything because all the lines are very easy to understand and very easy to memorize. So please study, find the word meanings and study the poem lines too. Okay, so guys, have a nice day to all and bye everyone.